I am Dr. Sailesh Lodha, endocrinologist at Eternal Hospital, Jaipur. My talk in APICON 22 was on oral pill for a peptide. This talk included presentations of various trials which have been done across the world on this particular molecule, which is semaglutide. We know that no peptide can be given orally because it gets digested in gastric juice as soon as it is ingested. So, it was a very difficult task for the industry to make a product which is resistant to the effect of gastric acid, as well as it should pass through the barrier of mucosal barrier of stomach into the circulation, and this was made possible by oral semaglutide in the form of a pill which is GLP-1 receptor analog combined with SNAC, which is sodium N-acetyl capryllate, which is an absorption enhancer, and when GLP-1 receptor analog is combined with the SNAC, it is not it becomes resistant to the pH of stomach, and it gets easily absorbed from the stomach into the circulation. So, this peptide then because of its long half life, which is about 7 days, it circulates in the bloodstream bound to albumin, and this has remarkable effects on glucose lowering, as well as the advantage is that there is no weight gain, rather there is weight loss, which is desirable in all obese diabetic individuals. Hypoglycemic potential of this molecule as such is very minimal or almost nil, and because of these two advantages, which are weight loss without hypoglycemia and of course with good glycemic control, it is going to become a hit in near future, because this is the first peptide pill available in oral form. So, I think this remarkable scientific breakthrough will help millions of our diabetic patients in controlling their hyperglycemia and reducing their weight. So, goodbye everyone, see you next year in 23.